Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a virtual trip to the beautiful island of Taiwan to explore the iconic Taipei 101. This incredible skyscraper was once the tallest building in the world, and it's still a sight to behold. Taipei 101 is packed with amazing things to see and do. We're talking breathtaking views, world-class shopping, delicious food, and even a little bit of art and culture. So buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind tour of the top 10 must-visit spots in Taipei 101. First up, we're heading straight to the top, to the observation deck. You step out of the elevator, and it's like the whole world just opens up in front of you. You can see for miles in every direction, with panoramic views of Taipei City stretching out below. We're talking lush green mountains, sparkling cityscapes, and the winding Keelung River. It's absolutely breathtaking. There are designated photo spots, so you can capture those Instagram-worthy shots with the city as your backdrop. The observation deck also has interactive exhibits where you can learn about the history and architecture of Taipei 101. You can even send postcards from the highest post box in Taiwan. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a history buff, or just looking for an unforgettable experience, the observation deck at Taipei 101 is an absolute must-see. After all that sightseeing, it's time to treat ourselves at the Taipei 101 Mall. This place is a shopper's paradise, with over 300 stores spread across multiple levels. We're talking high-end fashion, luxury brands, electronics, you name it, they've got it. Think Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, all under one roof. You can find unique souvenirs, local Taiwanese brands, and plenty of places to grab a bite to eat. The Taipei 101 Mall is a foodie's dream come true. From Michelin-starred restaurants to casual cafes and food courts, you'll be spoiled for choice. So grab your wallets, put on your comfy shoes, and get ready for a shopping spree at the Taipei 101 Mall. Let's talk food, specifically Din Tai Fung, the world-famous dumpling restaurant that calls Taipei 101 its home. Their signature dish, the soup dumplings, or xiaolongbao, are legendary. These little parcels of joy are filled with a savory broth and your choice of meat or vegetarian fillings. Watching the skilled chefs handcraft each dumpling through the open kitchen window is like a culinary performance. Din Tai Fung isn't just about the dumplings. They also have a wide variety of other Taiwanese dishes, from noodles and fried rice to vegetables and seafood. And let's not forget about the dipping sauces. Trust me, you'll want to try them all. If you're looking for a delicious and authentic Taiwanese dining experience, be sure to add Din Tai Fung to your Taipei 101 itinerary. It's a must-visit for any food lover. Hold on tight, everyone, because we're about to take a ride on one of the fastest elevators in the world. The Taipei 101 Observatory elevators will whisk you up to the 89th floor in a record-breaking 37 seconds. The elevator ride itself is an experience, surrounded by dazzling lights and soothing music. Once you reach the observatory, get ready to be blown away by the panoramic views of Taipei. You'll see the city from a whole new perspective, with landmarks like the Keelung River, Elephant Mountain, and even the Taiwan Strait visible on a clear day. If you're feeling brave, you can step onto the outdoor observation deck on the 91st floor for an even more exhilarating experience. The Taipei 101 Observatory is also home to interactive exhibits, multimedia displays, and a gift shop where you can pick up some unique souvenirs. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for the best views in town, a visit to the Taipei 101 Observatory is an absolute must. Need a break from the hustle and bustle of the city? Head up to the Taipei 101 Sky Park, a hidden oasis perched high above the streets. This serene outdoor space offers stunning views of the city, along with a peaceful atmosphere perfect for relaxation. Take a stroll through the landscaped gardens, find a quiet spot to sit and soak up the sun, or simply enjoy the fresh air and tranquility. The Sky Park is a welcome escape from the crowds and a chance to reconnect with nature. You can enjoy a picnic lunch surrounded by greenery, practice some yoga with a view, or simply relax and enjoy the moment. So, whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a fun-filled afternoon, be sure to add the Taipei 101 Sky Park to your itinerary. Calling all art lovers, Taipei 101 isn't just about shopping and dining. It's also a hub for art and culture. Head to the Taipei 101 Art Gallery, located on the 89th floor, for a unique art experience with breathtaking views. The gallery showcases a diverse range of contemporary art from both local Taiwanese artists and international names. You'll find everything from paintings and sculptures to photography and installations, all housed in a stunning space with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer panoramic city views. The gallery's exhibitions rotate regularly, so there's always something new and exciting to discover. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply looking for a unique cultural experience, be sure to check out the Taipei 101 Art Gallery. Now, while you might not think of an office tower as a must-visit spot, the Taipei 101 office tower is no ordinary workplace. This iconic skyscraper is a symbol of Taiwan's economic success and a hub for innovation and business. Even if you're not there for a meeting, you can still appreciate the impressive architecture and design of the building's interior. The lobby is a sight to behold, with its soaring ceilings, intricate details, and luxurious finishes. The Taipei 101 office tower isn't just about business. It's also home to several restaurants, cafes, and shops, making it a convenient spot to grab a bite to eat or pick up a souvenir. If you're looking for a unique perspective on the city, head up to one of the higher floors for stunning views of Taipei. So even if you're not a business tycoon, the Taipei 101 office tower is worth a visit for its architectural grandeur and glimpse into Taiwan's corporate world. Who says you can't stay active while on vacation? The Taipei 101 Fitness Center offers a unique opportunity to work up a sweat while enjoying breathtaking city views. This state-of-the-art fitness facility features a wide range of equipment, from cardio machines and weightlifting areas to yoga studios and group fitness classes. Imagine running on a treadmill while overlooking the sprawling cityscape, or lifting weights with a panoramic view of the mountains in the distance. The fitness center also offers personal training sessions, nutritional guidance, and a range of wellness programs to help you achieve your fitness goals. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply looking for a unique way to stay active while traveling, be sure to check out the Taipei 101 Fitness Center. If you're looking for a truly unforgettable venue for your next event, look no further than the Taipei 101 Conference Center. This world-class facility offers a range of flexible spaces, from grand ballrooms to intimate meeting rooms, all equipped with state-of-the-art technology and breathtaking views. Imagine hosting a conference or gala dinner with the sparkling city lights as your backdrop. The conference center also offers a dedicated team of event planners who can assist with every detail, from catering and decorations to audio-visual equipment and transportation. Whether you're planning a corporate event, a wedding, or a special celebration, the Taipei 101 Conference Center provides a unique and unforgettable setting. Plus, who wouldn't want to say they attended an event at the top of one of the tallest buildings in the world? Taipei 101 isn't just a pretty face, it's also a leader in sustainability. The building has implemented numerous green initiatives, and you can learn all about them at the Taipei 101 Eco-Observatory. Located on the 89th floor, the Eco-Observatory showcases the building's innovative technologies and sustainable practices, such as its rainwater harvesting system, energy-efficient lighting, and waste reduction programs. You'll discover how Taipei 101 is reducing its environmental impact and working towards a greener future. The Eco-Observatory is an educational and inspiring experience for visitors of all ages, highlighting the importance of sustainability and environmental responsibility. If you're interested in learning more about sustainability and seeing how one of the world's tallest buildings is leading the way, be sure to add the Taipei 101 Eco-Observatory to your itinerary. Well, there you have it, folks. Those are my top 10 must-visit spots in Taipei 101. From breathtaking views and world-class shopping to delicious food and cultural experiences, this iconic skyscraper has something for everyone. Thanks for coming along with me on this virtual adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more travel fun, and leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite part of Taipei 101 is. Until next time, stay curious.